Hi! If you're looking around Cavite and thinking, okay, saan ba talaga pwede tumira long term? Let me show you this. This is Westwind at Lancaster New City, a pre-selling condominium located at Barangay Navarro, General Trias, Cavite. Ang maganda dito, hindi lang siya basta condo. It's one of those places na once you live here, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas palagi. Meron ng schools, church, supermarkets, banks, and a transport system. Lahat nasa loob na ng Lancaster New City. So, ang daily life natin, mas simple. For the units, meron tayong studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom options. Pwede ka rin pumili ng with balcony, and yung layout, sobrang practical. Hindi sayang sa space. Whether kung work from home ka, or gusto mo lang ng tahimik na space after work, sobrang comfortable talaga ng feeling. Plus, accessible siya about 6.5 kilometers from Cavitex with access via NCX and Calax. And honestly, this is where a lot of people get interested. You can start owning a unit here for as low as 16,000 pesos monthly down payment. So, kung iniisip mo siya long term, pwede mo siyang ipa-Airbnb or rental business. Especially, malapit siya sa upcoming developments like SM Gentry, NU, Ateneo, and Uniqlo. So, if you're considering a condo in Cavite, this is something you should see in person. Let's schedule a site viewing now.